on how to do with the PLC programming. Here it's a ladder programming. This part I'm showing here where we're going to write the ladder logic program, and this part is a input output field devices. Here we can say that this is the input which is connected to this rack 1, and this is the output connected to rack 2, input connected to rack 3, and output connected to rack 4. So here for this, as I told you in the class, in the principle of operation, we have two input switches. The one is temperature switch and the other one is the pressure switch, and one more switch we need to provide is the manual push button, where you can see here we have a switch 1 which is connected to the input terminal 1 0, and here the another switch which is connected to the input terminal 1 1, and the one more manual push button that is connected to the input terminal 1 2. So by using this one we can do the programming. And also one more, here the output, we will take this as an output 2 0. So here we'll show you how to do the programming here and how it works. So I'll take this examine if closed and place it here, and one more examine if close, and one more we need to add the parallel branch. And now we will move this two trunks into this branch, and one more we need to add for this manual push button. So here we have AND logic here and OR logic. So when the both the switches are closed, our output should be energized. For that we will include the output. So here output, I'll place it here. So this is the output side and this is the input side, and for these we have to give an addressing. So I'll take this address of this switch and place it here, and I will take the address of this switch and place it here, and take the push button address here and place it, and take the output of this address of the output is here. And now after this we have done with the programming. After this we'll just download this program to the PLC, and then we'll keep the PLC in run mode, and now we will check with the output how it obtains. So now this temperature switch will be closed, and now you can see that particular part is highlighted. Okay, and then the one more switch, the pressure switch, also closes when it reaches its value, and now this is also highlights, and there is a logical continuity to the output. So output is also highlighted, means the output is energized. As you can see here in the output terminal 2, this LED is, or the indicator lamp is turned on. And now in the other way we'll show you. So if these two are not considered, the manually we can turn on this particular output, where press the push button. So now we get the logical continuity, and now the output is turned on. You can see that the green light is glowing in the output terminal. So as long as you press this button, our output will be turned on, and you release the button and output will be turned off. And now stop the program, and you can modify this program to